However, one extra step that you can take, and I hope people write this down because it's really important, is naming what's called a successor annuitant. And it's just basically an extra step that you take at the bank or your financial institution when you open the tax-free savings account. And even if you have one opened and it's maxed out, contact your financial person and say, I'd like to name my spouse as a successor annuitant. What that means is, so back to that first example, the husband dies, but if his wife is named as the successor annuitant, then she can take over the portfolio and it stays intact.
So it's not cashed out. It
Correct.
just continues to go.
Because it could be a great time in the markets and maybe it makes sense to cash out the funds, or it could be a horrible time in the markets and maybe it doesn't make sense.
Right.
So the beauty of setting it up with the successor annuitant is you can elect either option. So you can either, so the husband passes away, the wife can either say, okay, you know what, I'm just going to cash out the money and take it tax-free, or she can acquire that portfolio and continue on and then cash it out when she wants. Keep in mind, you cannot add any more money to that. And there is a special government form that needs to be filled out. And your financial institution would help you with that. But that's a really important piece. So if you're listening to this and you have a tax-free savings or your spouse has a tax-free savings, double check if you do have a successor annuitant. If you're listening to this and you are a client of Godfrey Financial, we have made sure that our clients have set up successor annuitants, but that's a really important one to do.